Hi, everyone. Thank you, firstly, to the organizers for having me at our pharma. It's a real pleasure. And I'm hoping all of you can see my screen share, um, and we'll keep going from there. Today, I'll give an overview of how my team within Tempus AI is trying to accelerate cancer drug discovery by harnessing the power of a suite of R packages, which we call the tempusverse, within the Tempus Lens platform. I'm Nitesh Turaga. I'm the Director of Research Informatics at Tempus AI. My team helps scale analysis by building software and infrastructure, and we work mostly in R. Previously, I was at open source in Bioconductor as a core team member for over 6 years, but I've been writing R code for about 12 years now. Right now, I live and work in Hawaii, fulfilling a lifelong dream. The picture you see right now was taken at the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, right next to the Nahuku lava tubes. Okay, so today I'm going to be splitting my talk in 4 sections. I'm going to talk about the Tempus multimodal data, the tempusverse, and the Tempus Lens platform, and how it all comes together. It's difficult to do any meaningful analysis these days without a lot of data. So Tempus is trying to accelerate cancer drug discovery by attacking the problem from 3 different angles, if not more. The first one is having a highly curated multimodal data set called the Tempus multimodal data, having software for scientific data analysis in the form of R packages and AI tools. And the third is having the Tempus Lens platform, which is an analysis platform where all of these modalities come together. Real world data, as we all know, is hard to ingest, multimodal, very large, and cloud-based. Tempus multimodal data is one of the world's largest real world databases for cancer. We have clinical data, which is structured and unstructured. We have biomarker data, curated molecular data, and we have the Tempus next generation sequencing data of both DNA and RNA. So this is the first approach. We have over 7 million de-identified records at Tempus. The second approach is we have a suite of R packages that can perform scientific data analysis. I'm going to delve into this a little deeper. We built the tempusverse based on principles from the greater R community, and we took a lot of care in building this suite of packages. We versioned it in a very robust way. It's a well-tested suite of packages. It's well documented because we distribute it to clients and internal teams. And most importantly, we followed best practices from both the Bioconductor and the Tidyverse teams. And as you can see, because we have so many packages, they all follow a very modular design. So these collection of production-ready R packages follow a standardized methodology for data wrangling, analysis, and visualization. They enable researchers to gain fast insights and make informed decisions rapidly. We streamline the analysis of Tempus data so that you're not blocked at any one point. We take you end to end. And we put this in a platform that ensures research integrity, reproducibility, and provenance throughout the analytical process. So right now, the tempusverse has many constituent packages, and each of these constituent packages are designed to be modular, and they accomplish a very specific task so that users don't have any confusion in between the different packages. So for example, the tempusverse package is used to easily install and load all of the other constituent packages. It's also used as the descriptive name for the whole suite of packages we have. Tempus Connect, for example, allows you to connect and select an available Tempus multimodal dataset and import it into your R environment. And I'm just going to pick one at random instead of going through this whole list. Like Tempus Viz is a visualization package that allows you to visualize and plot your data to derive insights. And each of these packages, by either the names or the descriptions right next to them, you can see take you from the very beginning of when you connect till the very end where you can report your insights to a shareholder or a stakeholder. So we didn't always have this modular design. Some time ago, I should say, we had some challenges and opportunities to build on. We had one very large package. We didn't have this modular design, but then we tried to divide the packages up so that each package has a specific task at hand that it accomplishes. We also optimized and made the packages more efficient. We increased the speed to access the records. All of the computation on the database happens in a lazy manner and in the cloud before anything is collected onto the user's machine. So the speed of the computation on the database is like much better now. We also have a uniform vocabulary in each package. And by that, I mean that the state of the operation within a package is described uniformly. And this is one of the core principles we've taken from either tidyverse or other bioconductor packages and adapted it uniformly. Another thing we built in is a uniform template for all of the visualizations and reports. So all of your visualizations look alike. You don't have to do much to get them in the right format. And documentation, as always, is a core component of any package. And we made sure that we have like a unified documentation source for all of our packages together. And all of these lessons, once again, come from open source and how they build packages and distribute to like large communities. The third approach I'm going to be talking about is the Tempus Lens platform, which is a unified analytical platform for R and Python. It has both coding and non-coding tools. And on this screen right now, you're seeing a no-code application to do some EDA or exploratory data analysis. Here specifically, we're doing some survival analysis. So the Lens platform is designed for analyzing and accessing insights on Tempus data. It gives you a lot of things, some of which are user management of virtual machines. So you can manage your own virtual machine. You can scale your VM depending on any specification you have. You can even choose a GPU accelerated machine. It also comes with artifact management. Since it's a protected platform, we allow you to import and export some artifacts from within the Lens platform. And all of this is managed by the user. We allow people to access all of the Tempus built analytical libraries as well. So the R packages I just spoke about are available on the Tempus Lens platform. And we facilitate the creation of cohort using advanced filters if you want like a dashboard, or you can also use AI. And all 7 million plus records are available to you on the Lens platform. An example workflow of how a user would go from end to end in the Lens platform is you have the 7 million records. And as an example, you want to choose patients with triple negative breast cancer and another filter of your choice. And you can import this cohort into your R environment and start your analysis. Now, when you put Lens and tempusverse together, once you import your cohort in your R environment, you get binary packages from CRAN and Bioconductor. You get the tempusverse packages from Tempus also in a binary format. So There is no cost to installing these packages. It's very minimal. You get access to public data, TCGA, DepMap, GTech. This is a non-exhaustive list, but there's plenty of public data within the Lens platform for you to access. You get both speed and scale. So your virtual machines are of different sizes, so you can scale them up to however big your analysis requires. You also get the tempusverse packages that are specifically designed to work with large data. Lens and the R console within the Lens environment is very reproducible. So we have version packages and snapshots of these version packages. We provide data provenance so you can trace back your data and where it came from. We also provide documentation on like how to make your analysis more reproducible within R. And along with all of these benefits, you also can share and collaborate with your partners. You can share artifacts with varying degrees of privileges, read-only, read-write, and so on and so forth. Just to belabor the point a little more and how you put it all together, you have access to the records, the 7 million plus real-world cancer database. You have access to both the tools in R and Python and any artificial intelligence tools as well. And all of this happens within the Lens platform. So those were the three approaches on how we tried to solve the problem of accelerating cancer drug discovery. And to make further progress on this, we created a set of templated analysis, and we called this package Tempus Reports. So Tempus Reports was created within the Lens platform as a case study, and it shows users how to go end-to-end, connect to your Tempus data, use our packages to navigate the Tempus data model, visualize the data set and the cohort you have, and you're also able to report your insights to specific stakeholders. So Tempus Reports has a bunch of templated analysis that run on your cohort of choice, and all of these reports work out of the box. We have molecular reports and outcomes reports. Specific molecular reports include gene expression by mutation status. As an example, in the pictures you see, or the visualizations you see here, you're seeing the KRAS gene expression by biopsy site on the far left. And then you're seeing box plots of KRAS by tumor purity. And you're seeing some descriptive statistics about the patient cohort as well. All of these are available within the Tempus Reports package, which is available on Lens. And you can go end-to-end on these parameterized templates. So in summary, the Tempus Lens platform allows you to analyze your data for both coding and non-coding users. For coding users, you have R packages, interactive environments in R and Python. For non-coding users, we have dashboards and AI tools. The Tempus Lens platform also gives you access to public data. It gives you speed and scale, allowing you to choose different virtual machines of different sizes. And it gives you artifact management, making it shareable. The platform inherently is very reproducible, allowing you to version and select a set of packages of a specific version. Several companies, both large and small, have already benefited from using the tempusverse. Tempus internal teams utilize the tempusverse for their research and analysis on a daily basis. The tempusverse packages are also accessible to everyone who uses the Lens platform as of today. So that's pretty much the end of my slide deck. I'd like to give thanks to everyone on my team, Lucas, Andre, Martin, and Katie, and the extended Lens team and research informatics teams. So thank you so much. We are actively recruiting for roles in bioinformatics, comp bio, translational research, and Gen AI at Tempus. So please join the effort. I added a link to the careers page. And that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Well, thank you so much, Nitesh. This has been an amazing talk, and yeah, the audience does have some questions for you, so we'll take a couple minutes to get to those. First one from Ying is asking if there's any proteomics data in the Tempus Lens data, and is there a subscription fee to access the data?
There is a subscription fee to access the data. I don't think we have any proteomics data right now.
Okay. All right. And Katie's asking, Tempus has some proprietary IHC data curated or generated through our clinical workflow. We will partner with life science and do the proteomics or spatial sequencing. Yep. Okay.
So I think that's an answer to the
Yep. That's
previous
an
question.
answer. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Just wanted to make sure I was clear there. Bhushan Kumar is asking, has there been any regulatory submission using RWE data from Tempus?
I am not sure about that, but I can follow up.
Okay, great. And yeah, again, for those, just to make sure everybody's clear, for those who want to get to know Tempus better, where would you point people to?
Go to the website or contact us. So I'm on the Pharmaverse Slack channel. I'm also in many other communities, Bits in Bio, the Bioconductor community Slack channel, so on and so forth, like in the R and Pharma Slack channel as well. So contact me, go to the website, let me know if you have any